First of all, I'm very happy about this appeal because that shows that local leadership is strong and is needed. If we want to reach an agreement in Copenhagen, I think all political leaders need pressure from others. So I think this appeal shows that there is a strong local engagement in changing our society to a more environmentally friendly one. Secondly, I think it's interesting to see that so many have gathered here, because that's also a strong commitment to themselves. Well, I think it's very important when mayors from big cities coming to the federal level and tells us what they want, we have to listen to them. But I also want to say, when it comes to deliver, they can be crucial, because if they change energy system, if they change transport system, if they build new houses which are more energy efficient, they can change the world and they can change what's happening. This is the first time in history when all political leaders can change what's happening right now, and they can create something new which is good for coming generation. Local government is very important. First, they can change what's happening in their local region, but they can also give information and support to local people. And if they do so, they put pressure on the federal governments and also global governments, and that's what's needed right now.
We hope that the leaders of the countries at COP15 will hear the voice of mayors as we roar like lions, to let them know that we are significant to making sure that we protect our planet. We are making great differences in our cities when 1,001 mayors signed the Climate Protection Agreement. This represents about 90 million Americans. The United States Conference of Mayors have been in the lead of Climate Protection Initiative. And to come together with the mayors of Europe gives us all a larger voice to speak on a national and global stage on issues for climate sustainability. Each mayor has the ability to make a difference for climate protection, and it can be as simple as changing one light bulb at a time. When we heard that our government was not going to commit to the Kyoto Protocol, the mayors of America came together and signed a climate protection agreement. And in that sense, the mayors of America are leading the way, and the federal and state governments are following.
Eurocities is the association of Europe's most important cities. Together, these cities represent 25% of the whole of Europe's population. All the analysis shows that we can only have a successful, prosperous future if we address these environmental issues proactively. These are global challenges, but in fact the solutions are predominantly local, and cities need to be given the responsibility and the resources, the means, to meet those challenges. We can together, with a common agenda that we've created, put pressure on member state governments and the European Union to make those changes strategically too.